New Type is a fast and reliable source of Gunpla supplies in the US. For my fellow Canadians, our Gamma Hobby offers the largest stock of kits, tools, and paints. Let's go to Gundam Base in COEX Mall, located between Pyeonggunsa and Samsung Station. Samsung Station is the more popular stop, and at the time of filming, Exit 6 was closed, so I went through Exit 5, but either one will take you there. Just look for COEX in the exit signs. As you exit the subway station, you'll see several entrances. Continue to follow the signs to COEX Mall. You can enter the mall through this entrance and walk down it through some restaurants, or see this Starfield COEX Mall sign. Enter the doors to your left. However you enter the mall, notice I'm currently on the floor B1.
Hey everyone, so I am now inside of COEX Mall. This is where actually most of the Gunpla expos and GBWCs that I've known have always been held. But this is also where Gundam Base is. I haven't been here in a really long time, so I'm actually gonna have to try to find it with you guys as well.
The mall is really big, but very foreigner friendly. These information kiosks are everywhere and includes English, Chinese, and Japanese. I had to search for T for the Gundam Base rather than G for Gundam Base. Just be aware of that. It will then guide you to the shop from your current location. I find a B2 escalator and immediately see the shop. If you get lost, just look for another information kiosk to guide you. Now that we're here, let's start our shop tour. At the time I visited the shop, you could order one of these 45th anniversary exclusive products by collecting 5 stamps, 1 stamp for every 30 to 50,000 won Gunpla purchase. Unfortunately, most of them were out of stock. Strangely, the sign outside says it ended in December of last year, while at iPark Mall, it ended March 2026, which was when I visited Korea. After asking for permission to film, let's now take a look inside. The first thing I usually do is check out the new releases, which are in the center of the store. One of the current trends in Korea are capsules and blind boxes, basically a guaranteed returns form of gambling. I was really tempted by this new series my entire trip. I basically wanted all of the Xeon ones. I was quite surprised to see this Zeta head, and it was my first time to see something like this in a physical shop. So you'll see that even though the Gundam Base at COEX Mall is a satellite store, meaning it's a smaller branch location, there's still plenty to see. Also, the fact that it's in COEX Mall means it's a great place to visit if you are with family and friends who might not be interested in Gunpla. COEX has hundreds of shops, restaurants, cafes, and the famous Starfield Library and COEX Aquarium. It's also on the same line and only 3 subway stops away from the famous Gangnam area in Seoul. These Gundam Base exclusive kits are also another reason to visit the shop and won't be sold in independent hobby stores. As I mentioned while walking in, Gunpla Expo and GBWC have been held at COEX Mall for over a decade. I've been to quite a few of them, so let me give you some shopping advice if you ever go to one. You'll often find a way to get a small prize through the expo. The last time I went to one, I completed a stamp rally by going to different stations around the expo and stamping a card with different Gunpla head stamps. It was really cute. And then lined up for 20 minutes outside the expo to do a prize raffle. I would have been happy with even a little sticker or a cheap postcard. But what was my prize? It was a 10% Gundam Base discount coupon, which I'm sure was the prize most people got. The thing is, it's a bit pointless because they never tell you what the prizes might be. You finish the expo, buy everything you want, then go outside to redeem your stamps and end up with a 10% coupon after you've done all your shopping already. So, my point is, if there's any prizes to be had at these expos, get it before you do your shopping. And those coupons are often for Gundam Base, not the expo, so keep that in mind as you budget and plan which kits to buy. Gunpla expos are, of course, really fun in themselves, and if you ever travel to Korea for one, you can hit two birds with one stone by visiting both the convention and Gundam Base in this mall. I actually later ordered 2 of these keychains from Argama Hobby, my channel sponsors. I just love official goodies like this, which are a lot harder to find outside of Korea. Here is a capsule section, though I would have liked to see more Gunpla themed capsules inside a Gundam base. Capsule shops are all the rage in Korea and everywhere nowadays. Even though the shop is on the smaller side, it was also nice to see a dedicated Tamashi Nation section. I've really been into mini Gunpla lately, which I think developed from the recent blind box and capsule craze. I love this SD line too, and also literally just ordered them also from Argama Hobby as I was looking at them again on screen while doing this voiceover. They would look so amazing hand painted. Cookie and I were talking about the reason for this recent blind box and capsule trend, which is basically a healthier, maybe, form of gambling, and he speculated it's just a new way for people to have fun and relieve their stress, because life is really stressful nowadays. What do you guys think? And here is a blind box set that I was also tempted to get the entire trip, but just the Sailor Mask and Rambarao ones are so cute. We now move on to the Ichiban Kuji section, our next form of gambling. I'm a fun stress reliever. This is the old-fashioned way to do it, with raffle tickets, and on the left are the prizes that you can win. Nowadays, Ichiban Kuji has been digitalized. Choose the raffle you want, is 13,000 won per ticket. Click Start to see the remaining prizes. You would generally buy a ticket if there's a good chance at winning one of the ABCD prizes. As you can see, the A prize is already gone. However, notice there are only 11 tickets left, and this could be a good raffle to clear out. If you buy all 11 remaining tickets for 143,000 won, you get all the remaining and the last one bust prize. Basically everything you see here. This is just a smart way to make sure the entire raffle gets sold. I've actually watched videos of people doing this once they've gone too deep and already bought too many tickets. At the point when there's only about 10 tickets left, they just clear out the whole raffle. If there's a lineup in the future I like, I might give it a try. Would you guys be interested in a video? I really hope you enjoyed visiting this shop as much as I did. Physical shops always inspire me to build more. Seeing all the kits posed as a collection on display always gives me a little push to go home and build and paint for myself. I didn't actually buy anything this time around, but I did spend some money on Gunpla outside of this shop, as you'll see in a preview very soon. If you are visiting Korea, I also visited 2 Gunpla shops before this one at Yongsan Station, which you can check out to see what else Korea has to offer.
Oh my god, I'm so tired. I came here at 10 o'clock when it opened just to make sure there weren't going to be too many people in there, and I finished now at 11:45. So I was filming in there for that long, but I'm glad I got all the shots. And now I'm just gonna go find something to eat. I haven't actually had coffee this morning. Oh my god, look at this as I'm just walking. I'm gonna get one more. No, I got 2. Let's see what. One more? Same one? Oh man. Same.
One more.
It's gonna come out.
One more. One more.
One more? One last one? By the way, just coming up the escalator, this is where they usually have the Gunpla Expo and GBWC in the convention halls. So down here, just past the exhibition. So here, oh my god, I can't talk anymore. So just down here, right down the exhibition hall, beyond it, will be lots of restaurants.
Even while I'm on vacation, I make time to film these shop tours because of your support. My patrons receive more in-depth narrated and annotated work-in-progress videos and access to my private Discord server. You can also support me right here on YouTube. Members receive custom badges, emotes, and exclusive livestream replays. Thank you for being the reason I get to keep creating. See you in the next video.
Yummy. The pot is good.
Oh, good. You like the pot?
Can you take a picture for me too? Oh, there you go.
Like a playroom? This is crazy.